we're going to look at writing linear equations in standard form. Well, what's standard form? ax plus by equals c. What does that mean? Well, uh, it's another way of writing an equation in a different format. There's a couple of rules with that format. First off, x and y on the left. No negative a value, that a always has to be positive. No fractions anywhere in the problem. And simplify if you can simplify. We're going to see versions of all of that today. So first thing I want to do, get x and y on the left. Right now, I'm given this. I need to move this 1/3 x to the other side. So inverse by subtracting negative 1/3 x plus y equals 2. Now, why did I put that 1/3 x in front of the y? Well, just because I have x, then y up there. Okay, so x and y is on the left. Do we have a negative a? Yes. So what I'm going to do now is group my whole problem. I'm going to distribute a -1. I'm going to multiply -1 to everything, all or nothing. So -1 times this negative 1/3 turns to a positive 1/3 x. -1 times a y, negative y, -1 and the 2, -2. Okay? X and y are on the left. Yes. No negative a. Correct. No fractions anywhere. I got a fraction here. Okay. So like what I just did with this -1, I'm going to group my whole problem again. I'm going to look at my fractions. The number in the bottom, that denominator, is my problem. That's what's stopping. That's what I don't like. I'm going to look at all my denominators. And in this case, it's just 3. I'm going to take that 3. I'm going to move it outside. I'm going to distribute the whole problem by that 3. Well, a different 3. But when I distribute and I do that, 3 times 1/3 gives me 1x. Take 3, multiply it by that negative y, I get negative 3y. And then 3 times that -2, -6. So once again, x and y on the left, yes. No negative a, check. No fractions anywhere, we're good. Can I simplify? Well, does 1, 3, and 6 share a number? No, can't do anything with that. And I don't really necessarily need that 1 either. So I'm going to use that. Just box my answer. We are in standard form. That number in front of x is 1. You could show it. You don't have to. Doesn't matter. Now, over here, it looks like I'm already in standard form. I've got x and y on the left, but not in the correct order. So I want to pick this up, and I want to pick that up, and I just want to switch places with each other. Remember, that negative stays with the 10. That positive stays with the 5. So let's rewrite. 5x minus 10y, bring down that 15. Now, do I need the plus sign out here? No. So let's ignore it. Is x and y on the left? Yes. Do we have a negative a? No, we do not. Do we have fractions? No. But can we simplify? Yes. 5, 10, 15, they all share a number. 5 goes into each one of those. I want to divide everything by 5. Divide, divide, divide. Like over here, how we multiplied everything by that -1, we multiplied everything by 3. I want to divide everything by 5 because those cancel. X minus 10 and 5 give me a 2. Bring down the y. 15 and 5 give me 3. One last check. X and y on the left. Yes. No negative a. Check. No fractions. Good. And simplify. We do not share a number. We are done. And that is writing a linear equation in standard form.